Hi everyone. In an era where we do everything from banking to grocery shopping online, have you ever stopped to wonder, what exactly is keeping your data safe? Today, we are diving deep into the world of cybersecurity. At its simplest, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting our systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These attacks usually aim to steal your information, extort money, or just cause chaos. Think of it like a high-tech shield. Just as a physical bank uses vaults, guards, and cameras, cybersecurity uses multiple layers of digital protection to keep the bad guys out. To really understand how this works, professionals use a framework called the CIA Triad. No, not that CIA. It stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. First, confidentiality. This ensures that only authorized people can see your data. It's why you use strong passwords and two-factor authentication for your email. Second is integrity. This means the data hasn't been tampered with. Imagine sending a $100 bank transfer, but a hacker changes the number to 1,000 mid-flight. Integrity measures prevent that from happening. And third is availability. Security isn't just about locking things up. It's about making sure you can actually use them. If a hacker crashes a website so you can't access your accounts, that's a failure of availability. Because our digital world is so vast, cybersecurity is split into specialized areas. We have network security, which focuses on protecting the roads your data travels on, like your Wi-Fi or office network. Then there's application security, ensuring the apps on your phone don't have backdoors for hackers. There is also information security, which is all about protecting the data itself, whether it's sitting on a hard drive or moving through the air. But perhaps the most important area is end-user education. Why? Because the strongest firewall in the world can't stop a human from accidentally clicking a bad link. You are the first and last line of defense. So what are we actually fighting against? Let's look at some common threats. First is phishing. These are those fake emails that look like they're from Netflix or your bank, trying to trick you into giving away your password. Next is ransomware. This is a nightmare for businesses. It's a virus that locks all your files and demands a payment, usually in Bitcoin, to get them back. Remember the WannaCry attack? It shut down hospitals across the globe. Then there's malware, which includes viruses and Trojan horses hidden inside free downloads. And finally, DDoS attacks, where hackers flood a website with so much fake traffic that it crashes, preventing real people from using it. In the end, cybersecurity isn't just for IT experts. It's a part of our daily lives. By protecting our personal privacy and financial data, we're also helping to keep our national infrastructure safe. The digital world is always evolving, and so are the threats. But by staying informed and practicing basic digital hygiene, you can stay one step ahead of the hackers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, let me know which area of security you want to learn about next.